Welcome to AI Lessons in Under 5 Minutes. Today we're exploring some of the best AI-powered analytics tools for small businesses. Whether you're looking to understand customer behavior, optimize marketing, or track financial performance, these tools will help you make smarter, data-driven decisions. Let's jump right to it. First, let's look at Google Analytics. This free tool is essential for understanding website performance. Google Analytics provides insights into where your traffic comes from, what content resonates most with visitors, and even shows trends in visitor behavior over time. Use these insights to focus your marketing efforts on high-performing channels, improve website content, and even test new strategies based on what's already working. Next up is HubSpot, an AI-powered CRM tool that helps track the customer journey from lead to conversion. HubSpot lets you see which channels are bringing in leads, how engaged those leads are, and which marketing strategies are converting them into customers. With HubSpot, you can see which content or offers resonate with your audience, allowing you to fine-tune your campaigns and focus on high-impact channels. QuickBooks is a great tool for automating financial tracking and gaining insights into cash flow and revenue trends. With real-time data, QuickBooks helps you monitor income, expenses, and even forecast financial trends based on past data. QuickBooks AI-driven insights can help you plan budgets, adjust spending, and make sure your financial health stays strong. For businesses with more complex data needs, Tableau is a powerful visualization tool that turns data into easy-to-understand visuals. It allows you to create custom dashboards and track trends across multiple metrics, such as sales performance, customer feedback, and operational efficiency. By displaying data visually, Tableau helps you see patterns, make comparisons, and quickly understand what's happening across your business. Finally, Zoho Analytics offers an all-in-one platform that integrates data from multiple sources like sales, customer service, and inventory systems. This gives you a complete picture of your business in one place. Zoho's AI-powered insights can even identify trends and make predictions, helping you proactively address challenges and take advantage of opportunities. And that's it. These AI-powered tools make it easy to turn raw data into actionable insights, whether you're focused on customer engagement, financial tracking, or overall performance. Want help setting up the right analytics tool for your business? Schedule a free 15-minute consultation with us at investinyourself101.com, and let's get your analytics up and running. Follow us for more AI tips to grow your business with data-driven decisions.